This isn't the Mourinho of before. I think that's very fair to say. He's not been able to garner the same attention, get the same respect from the players, and also have the same winning output that he used to have.
Xabi Alonso tried to walk in there, couldn't do it. Carabao walked in there, couldn't do it. There needs to be a sudden shift of attitudes and perhaps of power within the dressing room. It feels like he's the only one that can walk into the dressing room and rip these guys a new one. Maybe they need it. In Madrid, the dressing room is always going to have a lot of power. We already knew that, but it's spilled overboard this time. These players need to win. They've gone 2 years trophyless. We'll see if Mourinho's old school tactics, if we can call them old school, sits well with this team.